Now for the ketchup.
So you add mustard to it too?
Yeah, I'm gonna add mustard.
So you call this? You're really not sure? Are you just do a thing? Or what?
It's a burger sauce, for real.
It named burger sauce?
Yes.
In all my years, I never heard of a burger sauce.
Babe.
Guys.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Wagwan. Welcome back to another video, guys. So we're there today at the kitchen, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, man.
So, let me tell you what's happening today, alright? So, Jaden says he wants burger for dinner, right? So, Adrian...
You know, by the way, in our game, as usual. Yeah.
So, Adrian is going to make Jaden and I burgers. Okay?
Yeah.
So...
A simple little thing, guys. We already have the burger them.
Yeah.
You see me? Some we get from the store.
Yeah, so these are pre-done.
Yeah, but they even sure if them pre-cooked too. But when we look and see.
They're not cooked already.
Yeah, it's our chicken.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so these are gonna be chicken burgers.
Yeah.
So I went ahead and I did my part and I got the veggies ready. So I'm gonna hand over, the kitchen to the chef before the day. Let's see what he does.
You know, I know what man, I thought what they are doing thing.
Let's see what he does.
Yeah, so mine is a flat top. Shit.
Put it on.
Yeah, good. Yeah, so I'll be using the flat top, right? Can't bother the grill thing because I'm gonna knock up the stove and I'm not gonna go outside. Pan or outdoor grill, so inside I do it. I do more
But
than
guys,
this.
he has done like beef burgers from scratch before, so I have to give that to you, alright? Guy can make burgers.
Alright, put it back. Yeah guys, a simple thing, nothing out of the ordinary, but we have the burger, we have the French fries, you get me I say? In the evening and thing,
He's the one that always does the frying of fries in the house as well. I must admit.
Because, Jamaican today Friday, guys. Probably won't get this video today, but yeah, on a Friday evening, the regular style of Jamaica.
Yeah, kind of fast food vibes, laid back.
Yeah, most time we go to the fast food restaurant, but...
But it's not that healthy to eat fast food every Friday.
Correct, exactly. Yeah, so...
Hear that?
Yeah, it's not that healthy to eat fast food, so all the better. So we're doing it at home, so it's more healthy. This it's hotter now.
Okay, so you're not going to put any oil on?
Yeah, I'll just stick some oil on it. Just a little, just to grease it kind of like.
Yeah?
Boy, a little water in this one. You see?
One.
Yeah guys, so I'm not really frightened about I gotta grease this thing. So basically I grease it.
Let me carry you guys closer. So you can see what the chef is doing.
Yeah. Grease that.
Mm-hmm.
And we're ready. So I'll put these on now.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2. Oh. The center, the flame must be right here. So I'm going to really put more than 3 of them at a time.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so you can see the fire underneath.
So how's it going now, babe?
Just tag one. Yeah. They're frozen, so they're not gonna cook through as fast as if them be thawed already.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Okay. So while Adrian is doing that on is preparing his chicken burgers. I'm going to be dealing with all these vegetables, cutting up our vegetables for our sandwich, alright? We can do a sauce, you know, babe. We can do like a simple burger sauce too. I think we should do that.
Burger
Right?
sauce?
Burger sauce.
What is that?
So this is a sauce that we make. You can put mayo, mustard, ketchup, a little black
Alright,
pepper,
run it now.
salt,
Run it.
and mix it up, and that's it.
Alright.
Burger sauce.
Alright.
So we have our burger buns as well.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be toasting our buns.
And we have the
I
fries
like my
too.
buns toasted. Yeah.
And the fries too. You know? Yeah, so we're there, guys. We're there. Jaden there. On him tablet. You know?
And with a knife, please.
Yeah.
So guys, remember in previous time we've been telling you about my channel that was up and coming. Well, it has arrived, and we've posted our first video. So guys, go over there.
Well, now we know for our first video, you know, guys, right? Cassie does live. Alright. Link will be in the description.
Yeah.
You know, what kind of video you do? What kind of video?
So over on Cassie Does Life, I'll be dealing with life's issues, babies, family, hair. My first video is a hair video, so look out for that, guys. It's my full wash day routine. I have a lot more stuff coming. So I've actually been doing a lot of stuff with my hair, with my skin. I've had to be doing a lot of interventions with my skin these days. You know, the special situation coming.
Yeah.
So that has posed a lot of skin issues for me. So every little thing we are gonna talk about over there, alright?
Yeah, guys.
So go over there and support my channel, guys. Subscribe, like, turn on the post notification bell, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up on this video, alright? And if you're not subscribed yet, where are we? So these are the first set of patties off the, what do you call that, babe? Off the flat top. And in goes the second.
Ah, no, not in.
And on goes the second. So yes, chef for the night.
Yeah. Yeah, man. The guys, we still not come up with a name yet, you know.
We start coming up with names. So we have at least one name. We don't know if it's gonna be our first name or middle name. But we still have a lot more work to do when it comes to the name. But so far, I don't want to do the work.
Guys, it's like I'm not even sure. I'm not quite sure. You get me? I say I don't know. I'm going to really go on the internet and start searching. To be honest, you guys sent some nice names in the comments.
Yep.
You know?
Yep.
So, I'm going to go back through them and pick out the ones that I like. You get me? I say, and yeah, I sort it out.
Yep. So I've been looking, but you know, you have to, I don't know, I'm kind of picky. Finding a baby name is hard, guys. It's hard work. Hard work finding a baby name, alright? Because that baby gonna have it. Baby gonna have it for life, okay?
Yeah,
baby
for real.
gonna have it for life.
Yep.
So you don't want something like, you know what I mean? That's not gonna be very, yeah.
Our name, when I'm out troll him every day, tease him every day.
You know, Jamaican.
Huh?
Trevor.
Trevor.
Hey, you know
Trevor in Jamaica. You mean Trevor.
Bad boy, yo, you know, so me never guy, me never bridging in my class named Trevor, you know, when me go high school, you know. Yeah, man, but that before bad boy Trevor and them thing they come out. Guys, me not so young, you know, because me done school before the bad boy Trevor thing. Yeah, so me never a bridging in my class named Trevor, but I mean, the Trevor name kind of. I don't really our age group, put it that way, a little older. So you can imagine a Trevor for the baby. Eh?
Jesus.
I guess we can start Friday next week.
And you see the next thing too, guys? You have to ensure so whatever name you give the baby, you have to go through all the possible pronunciations that you hear in Jamaica.
True.
Alright? Because Jamaicans will call you any and every variation of your name.
Yeah.
Alright? We know this. They will call you some things and then you don't want it to be something like what Adrian said, where them are go easily. You know? Because if you're thin skin, don't be thin skin here. But if you're thin skin as a boy, Trust me,
Problem.
Jamaican boys and Jamaican men, them play rough, you know. Them play rough for
True.
Like when them go for tease you, it's not normal.
You know what, give them a name where to give them add more fuel to the fire. Isn't
You know how to make it any harder for them.
True, man. Oh, by the way, guys, respect for all of the orders that you guys have been doing, you know, from the registry. Yeah, man, guys, I see you guys when you go order the registry. You get me? I say respect.
Yeah.
You don't even know. From myself, from Kias, from Jaden, you see me? Much respect. Alright? Yeah,
What's
man.
up, guys? So thanks for the support.
Yeah, man.
How is the burgers going, babe?
Let me go on. Let me put on the fries I know too.
Okay. Multitasking in the kitchen and all. Okay.
Yeah, guys. See the French fries are come up there. French fries are come. Burger forward to same way. You know?
They're all arriving at the same time?
Vegetables.
Yeah.
I'm not fan of the cucumber thing, but Cass love a cucumber?
Yeah, actually I do though.
You love a cucumber, man?
I do. And I'm in favor of tomatoes, you know? Again, yeah.
Oh, you can eat tomato now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm actually getting my appetite, so also that I used to eat, I'm actually able to have them again. You know, but I'm slowly I introduce them back because I don't want to get, you know?
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright, now, time to toast the buns.
Yeah.
You see me? So I'm going to open them up and put them on the grill, you know?
Who's with your one is calling you?
Oh, crap. Hello? Hello? Yes. Alright guys, so here we're really go on Zine. So I actually expect a guest. Actually I was expecting a guest, Airbnb guest. You see me? So them a little late. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just leave this. We're gonna check them in and then I come back. So I'm gonna leave Cass for go and do the fries and them thing until I come back. You see me? So guys, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Guys, yeah. I wish you spoiled so far.
Really? Whatever. Second batch of fries is, or second batch is on.
Yeah.
And our first batch is here. We can actually taste it.
Yeah. Oh, you grill you do the bun them already. Cool. What is that? How is that? Good.
Hot.
Alright, let's start. Let me wash off this. Guys, actually, because I'm gonna put cheese, I'm gonna put them back on the grill, get them hot up, and in fact it's nicer that way because them are go hot again when the fries them done. So everything land at one time, you see me? All of the both them land one time. So yeah, I'm drop on the cheese now.
We're now cheesing our patties. Is that even a word or a phrase? Cheesing our patties. The sauce. The sauce. Alright, can I have a spoon, please?
So what's their dressing called?
A burger sauce.
You hear that real amateur chef, you know? Real amateur chef. A Thousand Island is a vinaigrette. When it has vinegar, so most likely I want vinaigrette. A little amateur vinaigrette.
Yeah.
So the cheese are melt nicely. Cheese are come on nicely. Fries are fried.
So I did my mayo.
Jaden.
Now for the ketchup.
So you add mustard to it too?
Yeah, I'm gonna add mustard.
So what you call this? You're really not sure? Are you just do a thing? Or what?
It's a burger sauce for real, for real.
Guys, let us know in the comments. If I heard of a thing named burger sauce yet, let me know, because it's coming next to me back at time. But what you say?
Are you back at time? There's such a thing as burger sauce, alright? So probably when you go in the fast food place like our Burger King and them something there, them not have a sauce. Them just use.
And they have name sauce, they name dressing. That's the first
they don't
thing.
have a sauce. They just use mayo and ketchup and whatever. But some other places do, like if you go to Subway and them other places. But anyways, when you go to restaurants and you have a burger, they have a burger sauce.
Okay.
Like look at it, look in it. It's a burger sauce.
Alright, never Google it. Google it. So this is what it looks like so far. Cassie's
So we need
burger sauce.
So we're gonna add black pepper and salt. So can I have the black pepper, please?
Burger sauce coming right up.
Coming right up, guys. Burger sauce are coming good.
How that go on?
Yep.
Fortunately, not right, yeah.
Very much.
I'm going with things. Cheese well melted now upon these. So I'm going to take them off now. Take them off. Take them off.
So you have our burger bun. Adding our burger sauce.
Burger sauce.
That Adrian is eating on.
Yeah.
Don't worry, we have enough. It's whatever. And then
So the fries are going.
cheese
Yeah, guys. Yeah.
to our burgers. We're gonna add our lettuce. I like cucumber, so I'll be putting cucumber on mine.
I like cucumber.
You like cucumber too?
Yes.
Yeah. So we three like cucumber, so cucumber is going on ours. Then we'll be adding.
No cucumber for me, please.
Yes. Then we'll be adding our tomato on top. And do you want? And I'll be adding more of my burger sauce on the other bun. But you can add your ketchup and your mayo if you want. There we go. With a little bit of fries and it's served, alright? So exactly like so. Alright, Jaden, you say you want something there, right?
Yeah.
You want your cucumber as well. So we're assembling our burgers again.
Stop shit that, yeah.
Sauce. Adding our patties.
No, right?
Stop.
Proper.
Good job, babe.
Good job. Come on, proper.
So guys, remember, go back to Cassida's live. Alright?
Link in the
Give us that
description,
support.
guys.
Yes.
Link in the description.
And remember to
Easy,
give us a thumbs up in this video. Like, okay? Turn on your post notification. Put the
Yes.
settings on all. And remember to give us a subscription, alright? Subscribe to our channel. Bye, D fam.